Stop wasting hours on Photoshop. What if I told you that you could turn any photo into a professional ad with just one prompt? Today, I am showing you an AI automation workflow with Google Nano Banana that edits image faster and better than Photoshop. No design skill required. Imagine this, you have uploaded a simple picture, dropped in a prompt like make it luxury perfume ad or turn into a futuristic billboard, and boom, your image transferred instantly into scroll stopping content. Why does this matter to you? Because time is money. Instead of hiring designers or spending hours tweaking in Photoshop, you can generate ads, social media posts, product mockups, or creative campaigns in seconds. Stay tuned because by the end of the video, you will never look at image editing the same way again. So, welcome to our new video, that is upload an image with your description and it will edit your image like Photoshop. So, you can see I have created a UGC ad creator where you can just provide your prompt, and depending on your prompt your image will be edited. So let's go through the workflow once. First we have take a from submission node from where you need to just add your prompt and you need to upload an image. So we that image we will store in our Google Drive. The photo is uploaded to the directory Google Drive, then we will download the file with another Google Drive node, and next we will use OpenAI analyze image model to analyze your uploaded image. Our AI model analyze that image and it will pass the information to a new AI agent. It will analyze the image and it will create a new prompt that we will send to Open Router, the Google Banana API, so that we can create the image with the help of Open Router. There is some restriction to call the Google Gemini API directly from my N8N server, because every time I directly call that server I receive that too many request error. So that's why we need to add a third connect with the Google Gemini model. So in that case I used Open Router. You can just go to Open Router, you need to log in your Open Router account, and from here you need to just create an API so that you can use that API to create the image or edit any image through Google Nano Banana. So you can just click on the create key and you can just add any name and you will hit create, your API will be generated. So now go back to our workflow. In our AI agent, we have used some system prompt that will help us to create the image or create the UGC ad. So after that, we will send that information to the Open Router. Once we receive the response from Open Router, we have used a set node from where we will segregate the data, base and mine. Next, we have used a convert to file node because we received a base 64 image from our Open Router. So we need to convert those base 64 encoding to a image, and after that we need to upload the same thing in the Google Drive so that you can use later. We can use any Gmail node here to send an email when the UGC ad creation is done. Now I will click on execute workflow. So you can see there is a form that we need to upload the image and our prompt. So this is image description, that means you need to provide your prompt in which way you want to create your UGC ad. So I have created a prompt that I will go through now. So first upload the image. We will be edit this image to create a generic UGC ad. So I have upload these things, and now my prompt is make the water bottle looks like that held by the young woman walking in the sunny park. Add a natural candid feel, looks like a quick selfie or lifestyle capture. Keep the vibe actual and authentic, warm natural light. So now I will hit submit and let's see what happened. You can see the image we have uploaded is now uploading into my Google Drive, and after that it will download the same file, and the file is sent to our analyze image. After receive the response from our AI model, it passed to our image generation prompt model, and our AI agent will be creating the prompt and it will send to the open router. Now we have received the request from open router. That means our UGC image ad is ready, and now we convert this base64 to an image and upload to our Google Drive. And now it's time to check my Google Drive. So this is my folder in my Google Drive where we have uploaded the file in our system. So this is the image. You can see this image in insane. Whatever we provided the prompt in our system and our workflow, send that request to Google Banana, and we have created our first UGC image ad. Now we will check our another prompt so that we can test it properly that our workflow is working perfectly. So I will click on execute workflow. Now in this time I will put a different prompt with the same image. So I so now you can see, show the water bottle at the gym placed next to the workout equipment, add a spotty person grabbing it after finishing set, sweat towel in hand, make it looks like UGC style fitness shot with high energy and post workout fresh vibe. So now I will hit submit again. Let's see how Nano Banana will create our UGC ad. So you can see same thing we have uploaded in the Google Drive, and again it will download it from the Google Drive, and our analyzer image is analyze that image and send it to our AI agent to create the prompt, and that prompt will be go to our open router and it will create the image. Let's see, and in some second we will receive that image. Let's wait for something. Let's Now our image generation part is done. Now it is, and now our image is also uploaded into our Google Drive. So let's go in our Google Drive and hit submit, hit press. I believe this is the file. Yeah, so you can see how quick our AI generate a UGC ad, and this is insane. And according to our prompt, the lady is picking up the water bottle with sweat. So our AI agent is perfectly working. Now we will go through again. So after submission the form, you can see we have our image. You can just click on the view to see the image, and next we have upload these things, upload the image into our Google Drive. So you can see I have, from the drive we have selected my drive, and from the parent folder I have selected the Nano Banana, and you can see you will receive a web content link and the web view link, so that you will use this link for next node. So now click on download file, and you can see we have our web view link. So if you just click and go to here, you can see our uploaded image is ready for download. So now we just use this thing to download the file by our AI agent. So you can see if I click on view, you can see the image. So our next node is analyze image AI model. From our previous node we have received the image, and I have used a GPT-4 o latest model, and we have a prompt that is analyze the given image and determine if it is primarily depict a product or character or both. So you can see I have written some prompt over here to understand what type of image this is and what is the hex code and the color combination of that image. So after that You can see this is my photo link. The photo link you can see from here. This is the once when we download this file from our Google Drive, you can see this is our photo link. We just need to drag this link to here. Our AI agent can read that photo, and it will create it will analyze that image, and it will send the information to our main AI agent. So this is our main AI agent. You can just click on this and you can select AI agent, and this is our AI agent. The same thing we have used here. So you can just add AI agent from here, and then you need to add your chat model. So in this case I have used OpenAI chat model, and next I have used a structured parser to send that image prompt. Okay, so next, and here the main part is here, that is our prompt, user prompt. So if I click on the prompt, you can see your task: create an image prompt as guided by your system guideline. Make sure that the reference image is depicted as accurately as possible in the resulting image, especially all text. So this is my description. This is the thing we have received from our AI agent. So it will now analyze the prompt and the image, and it will send to Google Banana. Next we have add a system message. You can see role, we have defined the role: add prompt builder. So the purpose, defaults, realism, camera angle, output, we have provide some prompt so that our image will looks like a real UGC ad. So next we have used a HTTP request. So let's quickly go through the HTTP node. So we have used a open router, that is a third party API, to send your request to Google Gemini chat model. Okay, so you need to just create your credential for open router, and you need to select your credential from here. Once you received your API key from open router, you just need to click on the open router account and put your key over there, and key will your account will be ready to use. After that, you need to just send some headers, that is the content type slash JSON. So you need to send this thing via JSON. So that's why you need to send a header parameter, that is the content type. Now we will send a JSON request to Google Gemini for creating our image. So next you can see we have used Gemini 2.5 plus image preview model, and this is the text we provided in our form, and this is the image URL. So after that, it will be sent to Google Gemini. We will receive the base 64 image. So we have used a set node after the HTTP request. So once I click on the set node, you can see we have received the image from our Google Banana. This is our image URL. So this is a base 64 image URL, because you need to create a image from a base 64 encode string. So now we have four fields, that is one data, and one is base, one is mine, and one is file name. So file name means it will be a .png extension. This is actually for extension. So our image will be in .png format. And next we have segregated the mine from our image URL. Also we have segregated the base, and if I click on show data, you can see our data, that means the image base 64 URL data, and this is a base, and the MIME type is image slash png, and our file extension will be png. So after that, our next node is convert to file. So you can just type convert, and you will see the convert to file from here. So there are multiple things, so you can just use move base 64 string to file, and with that node you will be able to create an image from your base64 encode data. So if I click on show data, you can see we the from the previous node we segregated the data base mine and file, and you need to just put the base over here and the data in the output file node, and it will create your image, and that image is insane. So let's check out our second image that we have generated via Google Gemini. Or it is hard to identify that this is the image we have created via a prompt with the help of our Google Gemini. This look really original. Our next node is to upload the file into our Google Drive so that we can use in later. So you can see we have received that image. Now we need to just upload that image within the Google Drive. So we will be you need to just select the folder name, and you need to just the name of the file is data. You need to just put the data over here, and once you click on the execute step, and your image will be uploaded to your Google Drive. And you can see this is the web content view, and if I click on this you can directly view the image. So that's it from today's video. Hit subscribe and comment below. If you need any information to create this type of workflow, please let me know. I will definitely help you guys, and I will definitely respond on your comments. So hit subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Thank you.